Yeah, una good morning, house. Mama G, like you said, everybody get a opinion where if you share am for the group. This man just can't write on a way if he say if you write down. But see the write up like an insult because I know see that part Joseph not talk anything concerning education for here as he be the try for sensitize we on how we fit unanimously become one and indivisible Ambazonia. Yes, normally time don't reach way now over this blah 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 supposed to stop. But Joseph already started by telling us how he's no longer going to be part of anything in form of segregation, pretending to be in unity, of which practically and internally they are for their own selfish interests, playing with the mindset of the Ambazonians to achieve what they want. Brother, I not talk say you did wrong, but before you do any write up, try for no best way the right for group. We are all Ambazonians. We have equal rights, but age wise we are not the same. That's until we support for no one for this group. I be don't talk some talk for this person they out of anger as they sensitize me immediately at delete them. Na soldier they talk for you, so I be soldier. I be soldier and a soldier they talk for you, so best way don't go war from no be one time, no be two time, no be three time, no be four time. I they talk for you, so calm down. We are in the state of emergency now in our mindset. That's internally we are in the state of emergency, and only if we carry the operation. We would denounce all this man a president, this man a president, this man a president. Yes, it like say all this time we go live with just a leader like how Burkina Faso dey now, like how Guinea Bissau dey now, like how Guinea Bissau dey now. Now so Ambazonia are supposed for them now because now they I don't understand who be president, who be this, who be that, who be this. All this time some of Buna they so educated. We the illiterates them we don't say we don't over play over our intelligence. We don't over come with education strategies. We don't over bring terms and many things we will not understand for come scatter our mindset more official when they right for the wrong things they want to do. A majority of the illiterates they wouldn't have to fee. I'm a graduate as I talk for one, so I put myself under the category of an illiterate because I've been ruled by people who have illiteracy mindsets. Or my saying ignorance. My talk now so. If not, I know go see something they on a clean page for gain and independence. When I know people the way they even talk with them. I don't know the one you they talk with. I don't know the one where the next man they talk with. But it's all for the favor of Ambazonia. But don't reach time we go get for that illiterate person where they lawyer. Where they very loyal and understanding. I think they say don't reach that time. We go talk say okay, we Ambazonians we don't unanimously accept say now our leader this. We'll stop all the secretary, this one treasurer, blah blah blah. No. If we get anything like money, give. Talk say we give tell say we need to give me slip for your hand. Do so now so we want them as they enter your hand, it must pass through your hand with that respect. Do so we put the money for coffers, for the coffers when Ambazonia coffers we go there under him name. As we give, we know the amount. Tell you say do so. Once you do so, it do the so. If you not do so, who are accountable? You understand? So all this blabbing here and there, ranting all over Ambazonia, blah, this, that. Me, I'm first of all leaving many Ambazonia groups. I'm leaving the group. This January no go motor me say maybe January no go motor me for doing a group.
Because this is why they talk for, I need to see no impactuation messages where they come out from the elders. They want no. Apart of Pal Joseph, where they can't talk sense with one or two people then. Where they can't talk the way it makes sense. So that one come out come for here, each other they say about Douala, they put him over. They can't talk na French for here. They can't talk na French for here. They tell you say you know French pass man for here. But not man for any life of the other. And if I hear that language, I can't show it. I just see some time there, man. So what do that message when I go pick up French. That Isa Choroma matter what the car every day call the post time. Whoa, Isa Choroma, this Isa Choroma Cameroon, Ambazonia, and they ever now I mean of that they take time to post issues arising in Ambazonian land. Even if they say that boy only I think go do their mission where they can't celebrate over see. I don't want to talk with you in my mind. All for one for all. We will maintain our steels and composures for this group before it get out of hand. I don't tell you now.